Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I have got something really important to discuss with you. So guys, ArriveCan app, we all know this app was introduced starting 2020 when Covid-19 pandemic was triggered, and even I myself have used this app because I have traveled out of Canada during this time, and there was a huge demand following border opening and various other things to drop this app and other restrictions altogether, because it was not just affecting the business, it was creating lot of inconvenience for the travelers to come, because many people were being subjected for random testing. Like if you go in the sequence, first it was like quarantine at hotels, then random testing, then mandatory testing in some conditions, then quarantine, and then ArriveCan always. So with this all things, we had various reports about huge delays at airports, especially after travel was resumed this year, because these airports, these facilities were still under the thin workforce caused by the pandemic. But again, when travel resumes and people try to travel again, they need services and resources, and that is where things were getting bad. Like we have seen horrible stories about it. But now because now these things have been like controlled in many ways, I won't say it's 100% controlled, but still it is in a much better shape today. When I go out, I don't find anybody masked, I don't find anyone following any restriction, I don't find any seating restriction. A lot of those restrictions don't exist at all. Life is again bustling like it used to be in many places. Again, like some places and some people still follow, but at most of the places I don't see it at all. I mean, and especially when at the provincial level, when there is no restriction, I can't understand why there's a restriction at the federal level. For example, if you are coming to, let's say, Toronto Airport, Pearson Airport, you are supposed to put a mask on inside the airport. The moment you go out of the airport, you don't have to. So does it make sense? Because like you come out here and go to gym, you come out, go to bar, and there you don't have to. But anyway, this news is good, and I would like to say that this is going to help a lot to a lot of people, because this is not just going to help people those who had technical difficulties in filling up ArriveCan. This will help like clearing immigration also. Like now they don't have to rely on this ArriveCan. They can just follow the old 2019 procedure, just fill up that incoming arrival card. Now it's like electronic based, and then go out. So again, this news is not yet announced by the federal government, but I read it in authentic news channels that this is going to happen, and they have said as per their sources. So I'm going to include the link in the description so that you can check it up yourself. But this is a really good piece of information, that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.